ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Fifth game of today dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Nakita na natin ang ating under 14, under 16, and this is the first game of our under 18 division. Once again, a team from Zamboanga will take on this time a team from Laguna. Both are runners-up sa kanilang provincial leg. Kanina yung Zamboanga na team couldn't get that victory. The Bulldogs in a close one. That was an overtime game. This time, susubukan naman nilang makakuha ng panalo at the expense of Laguna Impact Ballers. Live tayo dito sa loob ng Banana Court in Las Piñas, Baron Mercado, covering the action. White shirts are the players from Laguna, wearing blue ay yung mga players natin from Zamboanga Lambo Construct. So, first time seeing these two squad. Let's see what will transpire in the couple of minutes here. 3-point shot goes in, wouldn't count. Stepping on the line na ang itatawag doon. Speaking of Laguna, they have the possession led by Coach Luis San Buenaventura, one of our good friends here in the industry. Napakasipag na coach nito ni Coach Louie, and that 3 goes in. That is a CJ Baksal enters the scoring column with a 3-point bomb. 5-0 is the score. Laguna having a solid start and a jumper from the elbow. Getting in. What a basket para naman dito sa kampo ng Zamboanga. A foul during that reach-in attempt on Jomari Malay. 16 seconds or 14 seconds I should say is on the shot clock. Didiskarte ulit on that spin. Goes for that attack. Jumper will not fall, but will shoot his free throws in. Will get this free throw to fall. Missing on the first one. Again, a 5-2 lead para dito sa Laguna. Quick 5 points I should say for the guys ng Laguna, players ng Impact Ballers na alam nating very widespread yung kanilang talents here, especially in the NCR division, as the jumper goes in para sa Zambo. Mike Casas, I believe, was the last one who scored. Look to swing, a stepping for that shot. Gets that rebound, looking to push the pace. Zamboanga looking for their first taste of the lead, stepping through for that 3. Off the mark and now on the run once again. Laguna Impact Ballers. 3-pointer. Didn't go in para dito kay Uno Pineda, but that follow-up will surely drop para dito kay Santos. Justina scoring a basket here. 8 points para dito sa kampo ng Laguna. Way downtown. Couldn't hit that 3. Gets his rebound. Extra pass. Nice defense by Santos, and he falls down after making that defensive stop. I should say that's not Santos. to 4 ang ating score dito with 6 minutes 15 remaining. Ball is tapped. Good defense by Zamboanga. Running out, scoring. Ooh, just couldn't finish the layup. Is a Kent Anggong. And now, Santos will look to make them pay, creates contact, and will shoot his free throws. Eight to 4 is the score. Justin Santos at the line, knocking down the first one. Again, impact ballers led by Coach Luis San Buenaventura. A lot of leagues that they have joined. Marami rin sila mga players na na-produce. 9-4 na ang ating score dito ng mga taga Zamboanga. Looking for their first win of the day. Jump shot is pure on that one. Getting that one in. That is John Mark Malay making that basket. 9-6. Pineda for 3. That is off the mark. Ball is tapped. It is on the rescue. On the run, stepping through a 3. Couldn't make that basket. 9-6. 5:05 remaining dito sa ating opening quarter. Looking to add more points itong Zamboanga. Looking for the tie. 9-6. Leaking out. Better defense on the transition para sa Zamboanga, stopping that fast break opportunity. And that 3 drops in. Nice 3 right there. Pushing the lead back to 6 points. Swing action. Almost a steal. Open shot to answer. Fouled shooting a 3 Santos. Overreaching that time. Will shoot his free throws in. Hubert Lozano. Missing on the first one. Pero meron pang dalawang pagkakataon. Itong si Hubert Lozano. So one more after missing the second. Could have been big if he converted on those. 1 out of 3. 33% on his trip. Itong si Hubert Lozano. Now, on the offense, impact ballers. Sila naman ang didiskarte dito with 4 minutes 6 remaining dito sa ating opening quarter. Fakes, shoots, Salm, 4-2. Sam De La Cruz, a part of that championship team on that Pocket League. Part of San Anton, playing for Impact Ballers Laguna. Nice to see Salm displaying his talents in this battle for champions. Fakes that 3 inches closer. Jumper is pure. Kent Anggong scores on his jumper. 14-9 with 3 minutes 25 remaining. Balik ang bola dito sa kampo ng Impact Ballers. Entering the contest for them at 72. 14-9 ang ating score. So, penalty situation for Zamboanga as Renz Fernandez will now be at the line. Let's see kung anong magiging outcome ni Renz dito. 14-9 ang ating total. Zamboanga now is in the penalty. Again, looking to bounce back itong probinsya ng Zamboanga as they lost earlier in a close one against Region 2, our first overtime game Looking to bounce back yung Zamboanga. Itong under 18 nila dun sa kanilang mga under 14 na mga kapatid. 15-9 is the score. Swing. Thought about that three. Decides to pull it up on the corner. Overcooks that one. Rebound secured by Baksal. Here he is on the drive. Baksal. Drop pass. Won't fall. Chance to run. Zamboanga attacks. What a layup. What a finish. Ken Anggong has a couple of baskets for Zamboanga as we are nearing the last 2 minutes. Baksal couldn't complete the play. Isa pa. That will work. (17-11) ang ating score dito. From way downtown. Couldn't hit that shot. And if I'm Zamboanga, as early as now, need to get some rhythm into this game bago mag-pull up sa mga malalayong tira. Need to get the momentum so that those shots will get in. Pero meron tayong timeout dito. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin.
6-point lead, 17-11 ang ating score. A minute 46 remaining dito sa ating opening quarter. So far, Laguna enjoying the 6-point lead. So Kenji Luzon will be at the line for the first time. Couldn't hit on the free throw. Again, this is game 5 of 10. Almost halfway in na tayo sa ating contest. Day number 1 ng Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of the Champions. Zamboanga again looking for their first win. A 3. That is off to the left. A tap recovered on the side here by Impact Ballers. Sam De La Cruz was stopped. Good defense by Zamboanga, and that is one way for you to have some momentum. Play defense. 17-11 ang ating score. Nice pass by De La Cruz. Just airmails that 3. Ball is recovered. Traveling violation, or I should say a dribbling violation on the side here. Nangyari sa harap ni Coach Louie. As Fernandez will have a breather. Hindi nagustuhan ni Coach Louie yung tira niya kanina. Pinagpahinga muna. Final 53 to go. Sam De La Cruz on the attack. That floater won't fall. Rebound by Luzon. Traveling this time. In fairness to Zamboanga, they're playing solid defense. 45.9 seconds remaining dito sa ating laro so far. Still, a 6-point lead for Laguna. Hasn't scored in a couple of moments. Fakes, looking to space. Muntik na makakuha ng basket as Ken Anggong looking to will his team here. Looking to be that spark to push them over. Itong si Ken Anggong. Misses on the first. Free throws are a problem here. Not only for Zamboanga but for Laguna as well. Couldn't capitalize on their trips on the charity stripe. 1 out of 2. Baba sa 5 ang kalamangan, 17-12 with 27 seconds remaining. Skying high, no foul, a chance to run here for Zamboanga. Anggong, Kent, all the way, won't fall. Follow-up is in. That is John Mark Malay making that putback. JM cuts the lead to 3 with 7 seconds to go. Possible last shot para sa Zamboanga. 2 seconds. Shot. JM cuts the lead to 1. What a finish for Zamboanga. Cutting the lead to 1. Momentum clearly on their way dito sa ating second quarter. 16-17. Lamang pa rin ang Laguna. Magbabalik po kami.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to.
Second quarter action. Zamboanga versus Laguna. 1-point lead para dito sa kampo ng Sprint Impact Laguna. Live tayo sa loob ng Banana Court in Las Piñas. Baron Mercado covering the action. And momentum is on the side of Zamboanga after that last 2 baskets by JM Malay to end the first quarter. Let's see if here in the second they can regain that momentum, regain or continue yung kanilang nasimulan. Meanwhile for Laguna, having a solid lead earlier, a 6-point lead, now cut, but a big 3 by Santos. The big man stretching out the defense with a much needed 3. 21-16, a jumper won't fall, gets on that spin, free throw line jumper won't go. Makukuha ng Laguna ang rebound dito as they look to play this part as Pineda will turn the ball away. Ball is thrown. Nice 2-man game. Basket won't fall. Chance to run once again. 20-16. Make it 22-16 after that cruise of a attack para dito kay Cagayan. 22-16. Balik sa 6 ang kalamangan. Kent Anggoy was one of the bright spots para dito sa Zamboanga on that opening quarter. 22-16 pa rin ang ating total. So far, for Zamboanga, they were able to cut it to 1. Kaso hindi nila maituloy, hindi nila maibaba pa ang kalamangan dito. Let's see in the couple of minutes here if they can inch closer as a run being made here by Laguna, a 5-0 run to be exact. Uno Pineda will be at the line. Will knock down the first. (23-16) ang ating score dito. Pineda secures that free throw. 24-16 ang ating score. 7 minutes 25 remaining. Santos secures that rebound. Turnover on the other side. 7:13 remaining. They'll go for this three, won't fall, still scoreless. Now looking to add more points at lumayo na dito sa ating laro ay itong Laguna. Uno Pineda from way downtown. Don't know if that is the shot Coach Louie wanted for Uno. As you see him deploying one player, maybe replacing Uno Pineda. 6 minutes 35 remaining. That's good ball movement. That is a shot worth of 3. Compared to that shot by Uno, I believe that was ill-advised, but the three-pointer by Zamboanga, good ball movement, ping-pongs it in. But Justin Santos just continues to display his size and his dominance. 8-point lead. Largest lead of the game. Another good ball movement. This time, will send it another three. Good! What a shot. Back-to-back bombs coming in from Zamboanga from the Rainbow. Better response on the other side. Just couldn't answer. Third straight. Won't fall. Had a clean look. Sayang yun para kay Sam Takbobo. Couldn't get that three-pointer but could have been big for them. Could have cut this one to 4. Pineda for 3. Good! Nice response by Uno Pineda. It's raining threes inside the Banana Court. What a performance by both teams, pero lamang na ng 10 itong Laguna after that Uno Pineda 3.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang
After the break, let's see if Zamboanga, who has hit 2 3-pointers in this quarter, can inch closer into this game. Ito na ang pinakamalaking kalamangan ng Laguna all game long. A 10-point lead, 32-22. Lozano has hit a couple of threes in his name. Will receive the ball back with 3 to go. Needs to hurry. Nice defense on the side of Eastprint Impact. Now on the drive and one. Long strides. CJ Baksal finishing on the left side. CJ Baksal making that impressive basket. Di nga lang nakompleto ang kanilang 3-point play, but they have a 12-point lead. 34-22. Looking to make their move here itong mga taga Zamboanga. They send it out. Fakes that 3. Looks to inch closer. Turns. The referees will call a travel on that Hubert Lozano spin. 34-22 ang ating score. Couldn't get that attempt to go in, pero merong foul, merong contact na itatawag. As will be on the line though para dito sa kampo ng Eastprint Impact Laguna. Itong si Matthew Peteros. Lozano and company still looking to be close in this ball game. In and out yung free throw na yon. Again, this is the first game of our under 18 division. As I will just take a sneak peek sa ating schedule for today. The next game will be Laguna in the under 14 tsaka CDO who played earlier. So we will have an opportunity to see those players again for CDO as Lozano hits that three. Baba sa 10 ulit ang kalamangan. Traveling call naman ang itatawag kay Santos. Chance for Zamboanga once again to finish this quarter strong. They have done that in the first quarter. Let's see if they can duplicate or replicate that finish into the second with 3 minutes 25 remaining here in our second quarter. Nice pass inside. Better defense by Santos. Bumps, fakes, shoots, won't score. Gets another rebound, fights for the possession. It is Santos and Jomari Malay fighting for that possession. Pero ang bola mapupunta dito sa Laguna with 3 minutes eksakto remaining dito sa ating second quarter. Santos looking for that extra pass. Jomari Malay waiting for a teammate. Traveling ay tatawag doon ng ating referees. Santos will sit. 35-25 is our score here with 2 minutes 35 remaining in our second quarter. First half of action. So a lot of stoppage, a lot of fouls called here. This time, an offensive foul is called. Again, Zamboanga binibigyan ng napakaraming opportunities in this ball game, in this broadcast, to inch closer. Lowest they got was at 1. 17-16 was the tally. From way downtown Lozano, that is off the mark. Balik ang bola dito sa Zamboanga. Again, looking for their second or for their first win in 2 tries. Under 14 nila kanina, didn't get the job done. But that was a close ball game. Sends it in the corner. Thought about that 3, decides to pull the trigger, won't fall. Malay lost handle of that rebound. Balik ang bola sa Laguna. A minute 25 remaining dito sa ating second quarter. Sam De La Cruz with a jumper. Will knock that in. Again, if there's one player inside this court who knows how to win, who knows what it takes to win, Sam De La Cruz is one of them. A part of that under 18 Junior MPBL Pocket League champions, San Anton. They fought resilience in that championship nung nandun tayo sa City Arena last February. So that was 2 months ago since Sam De La Cruz has won a Junior MPBL championship. With a minute 8 remaining, jumper from the left side, drops it in. Nice look. Nice basket for Kent Anggong. A bit quiet in the second quarter. Lamang na ng 14 ang Eastprint. We have a timeout.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't
Final 54 seconds remaining in the first half of action. 14-point lead para dito sa Laguna. Making that quick play, better defense. Guys wearing white, Sam De La Cruz making that stop. Jumper won't fall. Rebound secured by Laguna as Fernandez has re-entered the game. Getting that stop. Fakes that attempt, gives it to Peteros. Attempt didn't go in. Put back will do. And one. CJ Baksal gets that basket to go in. CJ Baksal now at the line will knock down the bonus. 40-27 is the score, 13-point lead. 18.9 seconds remaining here inside Banana Court. $17.4 seconds remaining. Looking to make something work itong kampo ng Zamboanga. Final 10 to go. Jumper by Lozano. That is off the mark. Solid rebound. 4 seconds to go. Fernandez butterfingers that ball. 3 seconds remaining into this second quarter. And they turn the ball away. Magkakaroon pa ng pagkakataon dito ang Laguna. 40-27 is the score. Fernandez will trigger the inbound. Baksal to beat the buzzer. Yes, sir! Gets that three-pointer to go. CJ Baksal ends the first half on a high note para dito sa Eastprint Impact. Laguna having a 16-point lead. 43-27. We'll be right back.
ligan ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, ligan ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Ligan ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, ligan ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, ligan ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Ligan ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior.
Third quarter action dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Inside Banana Court, Baron Mercado covering the action as Zamboanga looking to make things work here. Looking to defeat and bawasan ang kalamangan. 43-29. Lozano has played well for Zamboanga, but he needs a lot of help So far for Laguna, it has been Baksal, it has been Santos. That basket by Lozano is a tough one to start things off in the second half. CJ hit that three to end our first half of action. That three-pointer from the middle now spins, shoots, and scores. 45-31 is our score. 14 points ang kalamangan, as high as 16 as a three is hoisted. A missed rebound. JM will be fouled. He will be at the line. Luzon will be called for that foul. JM Malay will knock down the first. Eight minutes 44 remaining. Knocking down both is JM Malay. Ganda rin ang kanyang naging performance, especially on that first quarter. Ending the quarter on a high note, scoring back-to-back points. Yun nga lang, hindi na nasustain ng kanilang mga kakampi yung nangyari on that first quarter. 16-17 tayo natapos, and now we're looking at a 14-point advantage. 47-33. Nice steal on the other side. Looking to make something work here. Laguna, dagdagan ng kanilang kalamangan. Extra pass, wouldn't get that scoop shot. Balik ang bola dito sa Zamboanga. 2 minutes have passed already in the third quarter. Stepping through for that three is in. Lozano starting to fill it into this third quarter, and having that form, having that opportunity as CJ looks to answer. Nice pass. Couldn't get it on the first try. Second try is good. That is Kenji Lucion scoring, I believe, his first basket of the contest. Lozano again. Had a clean look, a green light, but couldn't convert. Goes behind his back. A bit too fancy, but no problem. They will get a foul on the other side. Will be shooting his free throws in. Looking to capitalize on this one. Benoy Cagayan will be at the line. Will miss on the first. 49-36 ang ating contest dito. 7:18 remaining. Benoy will be 1 out of 2. Balik ulit. Comfortable. Bakers doesn't lead a 13, or make it a 14-point lead, I should say. 50-36. Diskarte once again, a 3. Way off para dito sa Zamboanga. Kent Anggong, I should say, misfires. On the other side, Santos taps it. Benoy with a putback. Balik sa DC sa East, I should say, ang kalamangan dito with 6 minutes 46 remaining. Timeout courtesy of Pound Fitness.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng...
after that timeout with 6 minutes 30 remaining. Zamboanga with a beautiful give and go play. Getting that basket is a JM Malay para dito sa kampo ng Zamboanga. Stepping through for the three, CJ Baksal knocks down another three. Has been shooting the lights out at least. No, nakakadalawang 3-pointers na itong si CJ. Stepping through for this 3-pointer. That is off the mark para kay Sam Takbobo. And a recovery on the side of Santos. Tatakbo na naman. Laguna, sprint impact. Balik kay Baksal. Sends it in the corner. Couldn't make it back to back. Put back is in. Having a solid third quarter. Itong si Benoy for Sprint Laguna. Cagayan has a couple of baskets in his name. Looking to make a run. Looking to cut this one off. A 17-point lead, 55-38. In and out cross. No look pass. Basket is good. JM Malay scores another one. Looking to make a counter, a stop. CJ Baksal. He has doing everything for them. 57-42. 4 minutes, 50 remaining. Up in the sky. That basket goes in. Balik sa 13, I should say, ang kalamangan. Malay has been producing well this time. Baksal sends it on the other side. Jumper. Uno. Pineda. 3 is in. Making that 3-point conversion. Kanina medyo malayo yung kanyang tira on the first half, but is able to hit 2 3-pointers as well. Itong si Uno Pineda. Santos couldn't stop that attack by Malay. JM Malay carrying the offensive load for Zamboanga, but what a move by Benoy Cagayan. The bigs, the length of this Laguna squad pushing the lead to 22. Takbobo sends it on the corner. Sam sends it on the wing this time. Balik kay Sam on that elbow. Spins, fakes, step through. Basket is good. A lot of things happened on that last play. But for Laguna, they're facing a 20-point lead. 64-44. Thought about this three is Benoy. CJ Baksal. Masyadong malakas ang kanyang putback doon. Could have been one of his easiest 2 points here. 64-46 ang ating score. Final 3 minutes into this third quarter. Laguna has an 18-point lead. A clean jumper is converted by Mike Casas on the right elbow. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang puntos dito ng Zamboanga, but they need to play defense. That has been the problem for them all game long. Another open shot from the corner. Another offensive rebound going in on the side of Laguna. Uno Pineda will go for this drop pass. A jumper won't fall. Follow-up is in. Getting that offensive rebound. Matthew Peteros able to secure that offensive glass and that putback. As we are nearing the last 2 minutes into this third quarter, 64-48 ang ating tally dito. Goes for the spin. Baseline is open. What a move by JM Malay. The JM Malay takeover para dito sa Zamboanga. Still ongoing. Needs a lot of help. Needs a lot of defense. But with a minute 30 to go, they will get that stop. Maybe a chance for Zamboanga to cut into this lead and enter the fourth quarter in a much better position. Lozano can hit a 3. Is a sniper from the outside. Turns around, shoots. Couldn't score on that attempt. Now a chance to run. Impact ballers looking to make some plays. Spinning, falling down. A foul is called. Uno Pineda. Sam Takbobo will be called for that foul. A minute 3 to go dito sa ating third quarter as they look to add more points. Talking about Laguna. Uno Pineda will give it to Matthew. Peteros for 3. That is off. Nice recovery on the side of Laguna. Balik kay Uno. 10 seconds to work with. Goes for the fake. Jumper. This time, nilapit na lang. Matthew Peteros wanting to shoot from the outside, but the comfort is on the jumper from the free throw area. Cuts the lead to 18. Scooping his way in, will be shooting his free throws itong si Hubert Lozano. Lozano with the free throw make. Let's see if he can convert here on the second try. In and out on that last one. 68-51 is our tally. Final 20 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Uno Pineda and company still up by 17, as high as 22 in this third. Babawi itong si Lozano and JM Malay. These two players really doing a lot of heavy lifting on their side. Fernandez couldn't get that steal. (68-51). Ball is thrown with a second to spare. Was not aware of the clock. Final quarter coming up. Big of a lead para dito sa Eastprint Laguna. They have been impressive up and down performance for Zamboanga. Laguna up 6-8, 5-1, fourth quarter coming up.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin.
Fourth quarter action dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Laguna versus Zamboanga with a 17-point lead on the side of Impact Ballers Laguna. Baron Mercado covering the action. Would like to shout out MJ Evangelista, one of the good friends, one of my good friends in the industry. Nanunood din sa ating laro so far. Special shout out to you, brother. Hope to work with you soon. As that free throw goes in para dito kay CJ Baksal, has been playing superb on the side of Impact Ballers Laguna. Fouled shooting a 3, 2 out of 2 so far. Makes all free throws. Itong si CJ Baksal. Again, looking to make a strong impression into this contest. itong Impact Ballers as I look at the schedule once again. This is the only under 18 game that we will be having. The next two are under 14, then under 16, and we will wrap it up Leyte versus Cebu under 21. Yan ang ating mga aabangan dito sa Battle of Champions Day 1 of 6. JM Malay will be called for that basket, and I believe a whistle is called on the other side. They will talk things through dahil may nakita ang referee's action above the neck or above the shoulder, I should say, dun sa throat area. So Christian Torres will be called for an unsportsmanlike foul dahil yun nga, the referees caught him making a shove dun sa throat area ng isa sa mga players ng Laguna. So needs to sit for 3 minutes. Sam De La Cruz will be at the line, will knock down the free throw. So that's 2 free throws and ball possession para dito sa Laguna Impact Ballers. Couldn't hit on that second. 71-53 ang ating score. Looking to add more points on the board. Sam De La Cruz starts off the play. Fernandez and company looking to add more points and get their first win dito sa ating Battle of Champions. Again, both teams runners-up sa kanilang mga provincial legs and now given a chance to perform here ay itong magkaparehong squads. So rest assured, talagang gigil, magagaling at talagang talented itong mga players na kalahok dito sa ating Battle of Champions. Couldn't get that sneak in. For 2 was Kent Anggong, who has been quiet so far for Zamboanga after performing well. 72-53 out of bounds play. Balik ang bola sa Zamboanga. Still a lot of time with 8 minutes 14 to go. Pwede pang makahabol ang Zamboanga but they need to make some stops. They need to make some baskets. 72-53. And that follow-up eventually goes in. Para dito sa Zamboanga. Casas again scores for them after hitting that jumper earlier. Was able to secure that point. Sam De La Cruz free throw line jumper. Waiting for that whistle that never came. Justin Santos securing that putback for him. Balik sa 19 ang kanilang kalamangan. 74-55. Merong hatak na tawag dito on Sam De La Cruz. "14 seconds on the shot clock. Malay with a jumper. JM Malay has been a problem for this Laguna squad, pero buti na lang they are up by 17. Santos wanting to fish that foul. Gets that ball back. Shoves it to Baksal. Balik kay Santos. Jumper using the glass. 7-6-5-7 is the score with 6 minutes 35 remaining. And a whistle is blown here. Kent Anggong will be at the free throw area. Kent will make that a second free throw. 58-76 with 6 minutes 25 remaining. Looking to secure this victory. Good give and go play. Di nga lang papasok yung floater on the other side. Zamboanga with a beautiful response as Lozano with that basket. Hubert scores another one for him. Pineda, nice read on that play. Masyadong minadali yung tira sa ilalim. And a push. Laguna, that is their fourth team foul. Isa na lang. They will be in the penalty. O only third for Impact Ballers Laguna. 2 more. They will be in the penalty, having a 15-point advantage with 5 minutes 35. This is not yet a safe lead, especially if they're giving points like that. 76-63. 5 minutes 20 remaining. Goes on the attack. Benoy for 2. (78-63). 5 minutes 10 remaining. (78-63) pa rin. A 15-point lead. Baksal has been one of the difference makers here. Stepping out of bounds itong si Uno. 78 points for Laguna. Yan ang kanilang sinusubukang ma-overcome dito. 4 minutes 36 remaining. Laguna looking to lock it up. 15 points. A big 3 off the mark. That is Malay. On the tap, I should say, that's Jomari looking to make that tap. One more time. This time on the right side. Shoots it. No whistle. Lozano on the run. Here's Hubert on the attack. Shoots over Santos and it's in. 78-65. 13 na lamang. After a high of 22, Santos and company need some sense of urgency. Couldn't hit that 3. Makakahabol na unti-unti itong Zamboanga as JM Malay secures that rebound. Lozano looks to operate. Shoots it. Referees call a travel. That was a wasted opportunity. Could have cut it to 11 as we are 3 minutes 30 remaining into this fourth quarter. Pineda will use this pick by Santos. Goes for that spin. Breaks the defense. Balik kay Santos. Good stop on Zamboanga's end. Nice pick by Sam Takbobo. And now on the attack once again. Stop and pop. Anggoy will hit that basket. Now Kent Anggoy starting to feel his rhythm back. 6-7. 7-8 is the score. With 2 minutes 55 remaining. A spin, a shot, miss. Baksal with that big putback. (80-67). Masyadong malalim yung reverse layup na yon. Looking to make another basket, another run. At tap, si Jay Baksal won't fall on that putback with 2 minutes 25 remaining. (80-67). 2:25 remaining dito sa ating fourth quarter. Let's see if makahabol pa ang Zamboanga dito, but time is running out on their side.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan.
Nearing the last 2 minutes in this ball game. Can Zamboanga make another run? Down by 13. Lozano misfires on that 3. If you are impact bowlers, alagaan na lang ang kalamangan. Don't turn the ball away and make some easy baskets. If you are Zamboanga, make a stop. It is imperative for you to make some, but Baksal is not giving them an opportunity. 82-67, 15-point lead. Lozano, Sam Takbobo and company. Nauubos na ang kanilang oras dito for a run, for a comeback. And after that miss, they get a steal. Referees will call a travel. One more basket and I believe this is over for Zamboanga. Maybe that could be that basket. Talking about Baksal, CJ has been amazing for Coach Luis San Buenaventura. Has hit at least 2 3-pointers in his name. Has made some crucial baskets. Made some big rebounds as well. Santos, ang ganda rin ng kanyang performance. Uno Pineda has played well for them after starting out slow. Hitting that 3-pointer that was ill-advised, but making at least 2 3-pointers back. And Laguna Impact Bowlers starts off their campaign into the Battle of Champions with a 17-point advantage with 54.1 seconds remaining. Timeout tayo muna.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga.
Final 48 to go. Eye in the sky. Santos finds the landing, and that is the exclamation point of this victory for Laguna. A good, solid performance for them, up by as high as 22. As Baksal will finish it home. Balik ulit dito sa Kalamangan, 21. 88 points for Laguna as we are nearing the end of this contest. At merong foul na itatawag on that attempt. Final 9.7 remaining. Misses on the first one. Makes the second. Turns the ball over on the other side. Balik ulit sa Zamboanga again in a 6-day league. Kailangan talagang makuha nila as much points as they can because quotient will be a factor here. Kaya itong mga teams na to still playing as hard. 2 seconds, a 3 from the corner. And this game will end as Laguna Impact Bowlers impressive 88-69. Zamboanga Falls 0-2 at least for this game day. Again, the final score 88-69. We are done for our 5th game of the day. 6th game natin. The next 2 will be in the under 14. Panoorin natin yan sa aming pagbabalik.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay.